One God, one love. Some of my friends feel life is lovely when having it all. You won't know how to act, you can't afford to fall. You can't explain that to your friends. Don't want them to ever think it or see it begin, because being broke is a messed up feeling. Some still searching, but with life they are dealing. You want to call your mom to express your feeling, but you got too much pride with this life you are willing. So let the tears roll from your eye. Catch them with your tongue, feel the pain inside. See, life is lovely that we could see. Why would you ever sell your soul to these thieves? They say friends come a dime a dozen. They cheaper than that, because we meet them and trust them, feel they got our backs. Now some be new friends, some be true friends, but we pick and choose, set up to do friends. Say girls talk a lot, but men do it more. That's why a lot of brothers dying behind a closed door, from telling his main man about his plan, introducing the family life into this brother's hands, talking about the kids and the lovely wife. Trust him cause he rides with him day and night. Trusting him in conversation that he brags on. He never thought it, now realize gone. We kiss the pain all the time. We kiss it so much, it's like push and rewind, because we survive a situation, say won't ever do it again, but forever and never, both long times you did. So let's stop a moment and to collect our feeling. When you got in this game, you knew you was dealing, but not knowing all what came with this game. Catch the first case, niggas with them things. You got in deeper, can't afford another case. You start fronting yours to brother, hoping to get paid. You had it all, but couldn't find the exit. And now you got static from all directions. To my sister and brother playing with this game, leave this game alone before your family kiss the pain. St. Louis style, one love, one God.